evening and welcome to Media Edits News. Our top story tonight.
Zohran Mamdani, the Democratic nominee and frontrunner in the New York City mayoral race, is facing several key updates. Criminal referrals over donations. He has been hit with 2 criminal referrals by the Coolidge-Reagan Foundation, which alleges his campaign accepted illegal contributions from foreign donors, totaling nearly $13,000 from at least 170 donors with anonymous addresses. The foundation urges the DOJ and Manhattan DA to investigate. His campaign suggested some donations may be from Americans living abroad and has reportedly returned some. But records show at least 88 donations totaling $7,190 have not been given back. Political stance and identity. Mamdani, a self-described democratic socialist, has been vocal in his condemnation of Israel's war on Gaza and has faced criticism and racist and baseless attacks from opponents, including former Governor Andrew Cuomo and Republican Curtis Sliwa, which he stated are rooted in Islamophobia. He recently vowed to further embrace his Muslim identity in response to these attacks. Controversy over 9/11 remark. He faced backlash and was accused of fabricating a story after recounting an emotional anecdote about his aunt who stopped riding the subway after 11th September 2001 because she didn't feel safe in a headscarf. Social media users suggested his only known aunt, Masuma Mamdani, lived in Tanzania at the time and was seen in a photo without a hijab. His campaign did not provide the full name of the aunt mentioned, only referring to her as Fuhi, paternal aunt in Urdu and Hindi. Polls and endorsements. With the election nearing, he holds a lead over his main opponent, independent candidate Andrew Cuomo. A recent Quinnipiac University poll shows Mamdani with 43% support to Cuomo's 33%. He recently received an endorsement from the United Bodegas of America, despite their earlier criticism of his proposal for city-owned grocery stores. He has also been working to win over Jewish voters, securing support from progressive Jewish organizations. Campaign focus. His platform focuses on issues like freezing rent for stabilized tenants, making city buses fare-free, public child care, raising the minimum wage, and creating city-owned grocery stores.